Jessica Barton here with a self-proclaimed not liked guy as far as racing goes, because he is the current XTF ADRL champion and record holder. Talk to me about your racing this year.
We had a pretty amazing year. Started out the year a little rough. Midway through, we sorted a few things out, and obviously the Extreme 10.5, the ADRL, the whole race is on the last race of the year. So we did really well, got through a bunch of people, and just had a good year.
All right, well, we're here at Livernois, which is your company, right? So talk to me about this place.
Yep, Livernois Motorsport. We focus on kind of the big three, Ford, GM, and Chrysler late model stuff. Currently, we're working a lot on the 5-liter Mustang. We got the 6.2 engine that's in the Raptor. Got a lot of little products for both those engines. Full rotating assembly for the 5-liter. The Raptor rotating assembly is shortly behind. CNC heads for both of them are done on the shelf, ready to go.
Cool, and you got some new stuff and somebody to talk to me about it?
I do. Mike SCHROPP, he's, I want to say he's more of our development guy at the shop. He does a really good job. Pretty much all of our combinations he's done over the years, and a lot of the parts he's worked really hard on, him and his staff, developing the stuff, and it's some pretty cool stuff we got this year.
All right, well, I'm going to go find him to enlighten me a little bit about some of the stuff you guys do. All right, Dan handed me off to the know-all guy, Mike SCHROPP. So he says you know a lot about all these new products, and let's go ahead and start with the 5-liter.
Right now, we've been working a lot with the 5-liter. Since it came out, we got our own 011 Mustang. We pulled the engine out, got pretty down and dirty pretty quick with it. Really, the rod, piston, crank assembly is really kind of where we put a lot of our focus to start off with. We do a lot of our own custom design work. So the pistons, crankshaft, and the rod, we're working with a couple different companies right now, and we've got some new assemblies coming out. We have some on the shelf currently that you can buy as an upgrade kit. And then we also have some newer stroker stuff coming out pretty soon.
All right, and so are you the guy that's out there figuring out what is the best setup inside these, and what do you have to go through? What's the process on hooking up one of these motors?
Usually, I mean, the starting point is trying to figure out for an engine package what really the market's going to be for it. Once we determine what the market's going to be and what people really want out of these engines, that gives us a better idea how to pursue that. You know, people want to put power adders on them, they want to put boost, they want to make big power, so we know we got to design the components to be able to stand up to that.
All right, and what is your market specifically?
Primarily with the Mustang market, you know, a lot of guys probably in their mid-30s and later that kind of want to get back into that muscle car scene and can get something like this, not too expensive. Buy a supercharger maybe, buy some upgraded parts, and go out there and take it to the track.
All right, and then he also mentioned the Raptor motor. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, the Raptor engine is available in the new Raptor and the Super Duty trucks, F250 and 350 coming up. So we've been doing kind of the same development timeline that we've done with the 5-liter. We've got crankshaft, rod, pistons, CNC cylinder heads, pretty much all the same parts. Going along the same lines, people want to put power adders, they want to put nitrous, things like that on them. So knowing that, you know, we need to have those upgraded parts available so people can buy a short block, long block, right up front, and they want to make some power with them.
All right, and then what is it that you guys are doing with the CNC heads?
With the CNC heads, we've spent quite a bit of time. We have our own in-house airflow department, so we do all of the port development and digitizing and CNC work in-house, which helps us out quite a bit. But we've got stage 1 packages for both the 5-liter and the 6.2 already available. So customers can send their heads in, we can CNC them, valve job them, do complete work basically, and send them back to them ready to go.
All right, and so if any of these guys are potential customers and they want to find out where they can get more information on you guys, what's your website?
The website is LivernoisMotorsports.com. That's where everything will be located. We got product information on both engines.
All right, guys, there it is. Make sure you check out www.livernois.com for all the information you need on these huge engines.